Hey, I shot a previous video on planting a zinnia garden from a kind of like a pre-mixed bag, and now, boy, I am reaping the rewards. Let's go check it out. What's so great is now I come out and I cut, and check this out. That right there, that's a swallowtail butterfly. And then just beyond it is a monarch butterfly, and they love the zinnias because, as you can see, it gives them a great place to land. And you know, the middle is just tons of pollen. And I do have a couple of sunflower seeds inside there. And I mentioned you can cut them and just give them away. Last Friday, I cut a nice, bouquet of them. Go over to my mom's house. I had to pick up a hutch, and she had a couple friends over, and she just about died. And it went over so well. I was the hero. And so it's a week later, and now they're really popping. And I didn't have the sunflower seeds last week, so I'm going to cut a whole bunch more. And there's another gal, one of her old friends, Hazel, that lives in a nursing home, so I think I may just cut some. The gal loves to talk, but you know what? She would just about die to see me and, to get a bouquet of these beautiful flowers. But again, what I'll do is let's take for this one, for instance, I'll come down and cut that baby, probably way down here, and then this two more will grow from here. This one here, this pink one, I'll come down, cut them deep. I like to cut them deep. They just keep coming back and coming back. Oh boy, look at that. The bees sure love those sunflowers. And the zinnias, for that matter. And I've been lucky because zinnias really are kind of known to get powdery mildew. And as you look at mine, they look very healthy. And no insects, Japanese beetles, nothing like that yet. But the butterflies, the monarchs, I collect the eggs and hatch them, so more than likely the ones that you're seeing are the ones that I've hatched. And what's kind of cool is the neighbor down the street also hatches monarch butterflies. So, well, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to cut a nice bouquet and drop those off. And it's not too late. Right now, it's actually August 2nd. You can still, I planted some in my backyard for a nice fall bloom. So that is zinnias in a bag. And not only will your friends appreciate them, as you can see, the butterflies love them and the bees love them. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And leave any comments or questions below. And make it a great day.